Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha L. Owens. I'm the owner of She's a Marketing Beast. And you can just call me Side Hustle Keisha because I'm bringing you the top side hustles, opportunities for you to make money from home, make money online. That's me. That's what I do. And that's what I'll continue to bring you on a weekly basis. The top opportunities for you to make money from the comfort of your home. Okay. Before we jump into the number 2 way to make money from home. Now, if you have my 7 top work from home side hustle guide, it's free to you. You guys better get it. It'll be in the description below. Just click the link and follow the steps and I'll send it straight to your email. Okay. You guys get this free guide, share it with your friends. Tell them to come to my YouTube channel and check out all of my videos on ways for you to make money from the comfort of your home. You guys, before we talk about the number 2 way to make money from home for my 7 top side hustles, I want you to hit that subscription button. I want you to subscribe. I want you to push that notification button. So every time I upload a video, you're notified. But most importantly, I want you to like, share, and comment below. If you try out this opportunity, let us know how it worked out for you, okay? We want to know, okay? Good, bad, the ugly. We want to know it all. But make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share this with a friend who has a background in the number 2 way to make money from home from my side hustle checklist. You guys, you got to get it. Make sure you click the link, okay? That'll be in the description box below. But let's jump right into it. I want to share with you guys this amazing opportunity. If you are someone with a legal background, you are a lawyer and you are tired of going in the office and you want to work remotely from home, or you want to make some extra money working remotely from home, you need to check out In-Cloud Counsel. In-Cloud Counsel is growing. Listen, In-Cloud Counsel is looking for top tier attorneys with corporate law experience, specifically with large international law firms. These attorneys will work on our technology platform, helping negotiate and manage routine legal documents for some of the world's leading companies. Working with us offers, let's check out what it offers, y'all. Let's check it out. Flexible hours, take on as little or as much steady work as you can fit into your schedule, you guys. You can work remotely. You can work where you like. All documents and tools are accessible from our cloud-based platform. Attorneys work with us, telecommuting from their offices, homes, or beyond. So you could be on vacation. Listen, you guys, you could be on vacation and you could be telecommuting and making some coins, okay? So let's talk about let's dig deeper, but I want you guys to know the average hourly wage for an attorney. This is the minimum, $69 an hour, okay? You can make more, okay? So if you have a legal background and you're looking either to work from home and make extra money or make this your full-time thing, check out In-Cloud Counsel, okay? So let's find out what are their other options. They have competitive compensation, which I just shared with you, high caliber clients. In-Cloud Counsel offers the opportunity to work with some of the largest and most prestigious companies in the world. Administrative support. In-Cloud Counsel takes care of most administrative needs so you can focus your time on practicing law. Let's see what Jeremy had to say. Jeremy is a contract attorney, and he said, I knew running my startup would require substantial time and energy. It was great to discover In-Cloud Counsel and find that practicing law can be part-time and predictable. I needed flexibility to practice remotely, which I can do with In-Cloud Counsel. Their online platform allows me to work from anywhere, on a plane or in new cities, as long as the work gets done. Now let's check out what Sarah had to say. Sarah is a contract attorney as well. Flexibility for me is essential. I wanted to be more active in my kids' lives and community. So I left a successful big law career and opened my own practice with more flexible hours. Working with In-Cloud Counsel lets me do things that are important to me, like volunteering at my daughter's school, spending time with my extended family, and helping out all community organizations. So most of the times when people are looking to work at home, work from home, they're looking for that time freedom. They don't want to commute. They want to be able to be at home and make better use of their time. So this is a great opportunity for you to be able to make your own schedule, like Sarah said, and be able to make all of the events that happen at the school with her children, because she has the opportunity to say, I'm stopping work and go spend time with my kids. Now I'm returning back to work and continue to make some money online and remotely from home. So attorney opportunities in our network. Let's check out this opportunity, and it is a remote contract and it's part-time, and it looks like, let's get some more information. And like I said, the average is $69 per hour. So that's a great way for you to, really either supplement or make a full-time income. So they have a consultant remote contract. It's part-time. Let's go over what they're asking for. InCloud is a legal technology company that helps some of the world's best corporate lawyers and consultants achieve the freedom to practice law without the traditional geographic or time constraints of large law firms. We offer a flexible yet consistent work arrangement that allows lawyers to pursue their other passion in life. That's the key, guys, passions in life. Whether they're launching a business or a solo practice, traveling the world, or starting a family, in-cloud counsel lawyers are consultants utilize our cloud-based platform, which provides the ability to work remotely and support top-tier companies across asset management, investment banking, real estate, and other industries. Okay, so let's go down to this position and just look at what this particular qualifications would be for this position. Transactional background with AM Law 50 or Magic Circle Law Firm, experience working with asset management, investment banking, or real estate clientele. The technology savvy experience with Google Enterprise A plus, okay? Excellent oral and written communication skills, commitment to client service, interest in leveraging technology to build efficiencies. The recruiting process, first round is a phone screen, second round, phone interview, reference checks, onboarding and user setup, then client engagement. You would apply for this job here and submit your application. That was easy, right, y'all? That sounds super duper easy. That's awesome. Okay, so this is InCloud Counsel. If you have a legal background, if you know anyone with a legal background, share this video with them. You guys, the link to InCloud Counsel will be below in the description box. But you guys, I always talk to you guys about opportunities to make money from home, but I want to also make sure that I make you aware this is an opportunity for you to trade your time for dollars. But if you're looking for an opportunity to make passive income, make money in your sleep, make money while you're enjoying your family, out to dinner or on vacation, whatever that may be, if you're looking to make passive income, look below in the description box. I have my #1 way of making money from home. I have my #1 way of making money from online. So there's two different my #1 ways of making money, and it's going to create an opportunity for you to make passive income. Click those links, check out those opportunities. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, reach out to me, drop the comments below, and check me out via my email. I look forward to speaking with you. You guys can find me on Facebook and Instagram. My name is Keisha L. Owens. She's a marketing beast. You guys have a great night. Make sure you hit subscribe. Punch that notification button so every time I upload a video about making money from home, you're in the know, okay? Have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.